We got Miami in the house. Miami in the house.
How on earth should I study with all this mess? Oh my god, what is this creepy instrument and how is it working? Interesting, isn't it? You see, me and my team have created this ultimate solution for your most frustrating problem. It's a robot that are designed to vacuum as well as mop the floor all at once without requiring any manual input. We call it AFC, Automatic Floor Cleaner.
We have created this robot with the help of Raspberry Kit and Arduino Uno. First of all, we have constructed a base with Raspberry Kit. After that, we have connected 4 motors which are operated within this hub. When we press this button, the program starts to run. After that, the second circuit which we have built is of Arduino Uno. There is a Arduino SC05 Bluetooth module and L298 motor driver.
At the front of the robot, we have a broom which is used to remove the stuck particles. After then, there is a vacuum to collect the thread. After then, the water will be dropped and there is a fan which will dry the floor and mop. This fan and vacuum is controlled by Arduino.